Hi students, today I am going to explain the second year Maths 2B integration. Okay na? Integration part. Actually in a calculus part we have the only three chapters from the Maths 2B. The first is a indefinite integration. I am going to discuss this indefinite integration. Second, definite integration. Third, differential equations. Okay na? Now we are doing the indefinite integration. From this chapter we have the 2 7 mark problems, okay, and 2 mark problems. Total 4 11 18 marks only this chapter. Yes, right. Okay, indefinite integration. The first, learn some formulas. Okay na? The first formula, integral x to the power of n dx. Integral x to the power of n dx is equals to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, the first formula, x to the power of n dx is equals to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, example, if I am writing here x power 3, okay, now integrate it. X power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus some constant. Right? What is the constant? क्या है constant? I will explain you after. Okay ना? The next step, x power 4 by 4 is the answer. Right? And the next, integral 3x square is there. Okay ना? Don't integrate this constant. Okay ना? Take the constant as a outside. Okay ना? Constant को outside ले लो. Next, x square is x square. This is dx. Then you know the formula. जितना भी है उसके पावर में add 1 and the same thing write in denominator plus some constant. The next, these three get cancelled. Then remaining x power 3 plus c. Is it clear? Right. Then first formula is over. Write the first formula here. X power n into dx is equals to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. The first formula is over. Second formula, e to the power of x dx. Actually when we are doing the differentiation में भी e power x का differentiation e power x ही है, and the integration also is the same thing. E power x का integration is e power x, but write some constant here. Constant means any number. Right? Then e power x dx is equals to also e power x plus c. Right? The next, a power x dx. Right? Compare the differentiation and integration. A power x into dx integration. Then a power x by log a. Differentiation में log a multiplication में आ जाता है. But here in division. Okay? Right here. A power x into dx is equals to a power x by log a plus c. Here example, a is a constant of any number. Integral 3 to the power of x log x. 3 to the power of x dx. Here, write the 3 power x as it is by writing log 3 plus some constant. Okay, and 5 to the power of x is there. Write in a order. 5 to the power of x by log 5 plus c. Don't confuse. X is a variable and base is a constant. Okay. Now write here. Right. Right. Next. Now tell me the differentiation of the log x. 1 by x. Differentiation of the log x 1 by x. Now I am writing the integration. 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is log x plus c. अच्छा, log x का differentiation 1 by x. Then 1 by x का integration log x. Right? Right here. 1 by x dx is equals to log x plus c. Right. इससे पहले every time I say that differentiation. Okay, now I am using the differentiation. Why? Because the integration means anti-derivation. Anti-derivation. That means integration is a reverse process of differentiation. जो भी differentiation करते हैं ना उसका reverse process is the integration. Is it clear? Example, if we solve one problem, okay, we get some answer. अगर मैं प्रॉब्लम को डिफरेंशिएट करा, एग्जांपल, जस्ट आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल, वी गेट सम आंसर, ओके ना? अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं बोले तो आंसर को इंटीग्रेट कर दिया, ओके, मैं इंटीग्रेट दैट आंसर, आई गेट दैट क्वेश्चन, गॉट इट? डिफरेंशिएशन, अगर क्वेश्चन को अपन डिफरेंशिएट करें, वी गेट आंसर, देन आंसर को इंटीग्रेट कर दिया तो अगेन वी गेट द क्वेश्चन. इज इट क्लियर? दैट्स व्हाई कॉल्ड इट एज एंटी डेरिवेशन, the reverse process of the differentiation. Got it? Right. अच्छा, integration का meaning तो समझ में आ गया. It's anti derivation, the reverse process of the differentiation. Right? Now I am writing here some formulas. d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. d by dx of cos x is a minus sin x. d by dx of tan x is a secant square x. d by dx of cot x is a minus cosec square x. d by dx of sec x is a sec x tan x. d by dx of cosec x is a minus cosec x cot x. Okay ना? Right? Now listen, these all are the differentiation formulas, but I am finding the integration formula. Integration करके देखेंगे. Integration. Listen here. Write the cos x. I already told you na, it's a opposite, reverse process of the differentiation. Then write here sin x. Right. But one should you memorize here. Plus constant is compulsory. And next minus sin x, but मैं सिर्फ sin x को कर दे रहा हूँ, sin x dx, then we get the cos x. ये जो वाला minus, give this one. Directly understand, directly memorize. In integration, the result will be c. अगर in front of c, confirm, take the negative sign. Okay, result में कभी भी c दिखा, then take the negative sign in front of c. Okay, right. Next, tan x का differentiation secant square x. Now write here secant square x का integration is a tan x. Got it? The next cosec square x. Cosec square x dx का cot x. Then I said it now. What? In front of c, take the minus. Right? Next, sec x tan x dx is equals to sec x plus c. Okay, and here integral cosec x cot x dx is equals to minus cosec x plus c. Because c now, is it clear? Write now down fastly. Those are the important formulas. Today we are going to discuss only for 2 marks problems. Okay, to try the 2 marks problems, you know the perfect, you understand the perfect, the topic, what is the topic. Okay na? After we will go to 7 marks problems. Okay, first understand the 2 marks problems. Using the understanding 2 marks problems, we able to understand the what is the topic. Okay ना, 2 marks के हिसाब से we get some topic समझ में आ जाता. After we will discuss the 7 marks problems. And listen, first question, secant square x cosec square x dx. This is the first question. Okay na? First, see is any formula for the secant square x. Secant square x को है, cosec square है. But if it is in multiplication, there is no formula. Okay na? Then listen here. No formula is there na? In the multiplication product of secant square x and cosec square x. Then what I am doing here? When you see the cosec, we can write it is cos square is square. Okay, first step. The second step, here we can write as sin square x. Everyone knows now. Sec is 1 by cos, cosec is 1 by sin. And listen here, multiply this two. Cos square x into sin square x dx. 1 the 1 only. Okay. Now instead of 1, in second step I am writing here sin square x plus cos square x. It is possible or not? Yes, it is possible, because we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Then I am writing the reverse step only. Instead of 1, writing the sin square x plus cos square x. Now listen, write individually here. Example, you see a plus b by 2. Then I can write like this now. Write the same here. Sin square x by cos square x into sin square x dx plus, write the integration for this one also, cos square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. Right? Sin square x get cancelled. Here cos square get cancelled. Right? And listen. One by cos square x dx plus 1 by sin square x dx. Then 1 by cos square means secant square x. 1 by sin square means cosec square x. We have the formula for the secant square x now. What is the formula? Tan x. And cosec square means minus cot x plus some constant. Okay na? Tan x to be constant, cot x to be constant. A constant लिखे तो it's enough. Right? Note down. Now the next problem. One plus sin 2x dx. Evaluate integral under root 1 plus sin 2x dx. Now listen, if you want to solve this problem, we need to know the some trigonometric formulas. The first is we know that one is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, one is there, and x, and why I am taking x, because the x is in the question now. Right. Instead of sin 2x, example sin 2 theta is the formula explanation. 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay na? We can write the sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Now write here integral. Instead of 1 की जगह क्या लिख रहे हैं अपन? Sin square x plus cos square x. Right? Plus sin 2x का मतलब 2 sin x cos x. Okay, the last dx is the mandatory. And listen, it will look like a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is the formula? A plus b whole square. Okay na? Write like that. Under root a plus b whole square. And here square root get cancelled. Then remaining sin x plus cos x into dx. In next step, I am writing separately. So, integral sin x dx plus integral cos x dx. Okay. Then what is the formula of sin x? Cos x. C minus cos x sin x plus some constant. Okay, note it down. Then third problem. X plus 1 by x whole power 3 dx. Okay na? And here also is the same thing now. Two terms are there. We don't have this type of formula. Okay na? Now when you see the a plus b whole cube, right? It looks like a plus b whole cube formula. Then what is the a plus b cube whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. 3ab of a plus b. The same thing here. Solution started. A cube x cube plus b cube one by x cube plus 3 of x of 1 by x into dx. Okay na? Then next x power 3 dx. I am writing individual here also. 1 by x power 3. 1 power 3 is a 1 only na? And here this x get cancelled. Then integral 3 dx. Right? Then next x power 3 we know that x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. From where? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay? And here we don't have this type of formula now. Then I am doing x power minus 3. Is it clear? It is in denominator. When we take the numerator, the symbol is getting negative. And we don't have any variable there now. Then take the 3 as a common. Write the 1. Here once integration is x plus c. Okay na? If you see here d theta, then this is the formula. Okay? यहाँ पे जिससे अपन इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं वो आ जाता है. Right? Then this is x power 4 by 4 plus x power minus 3 is x power minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1. The same this formula. Okay? Plus 3 and this is x plus some constant. And then write the first one is an axis x power 4 by 4 and this is minus 2 denominator. Minus I am writing here denominator 2 and this is x power minus 2. Then take I am writing here x power 2. Right? The last one is a 3x plus this is not a